Hello YouTubers and welcome. I currently apologise for how long I've been away from YouTube, but general life, Christmas and my birthday is just gone, so I wanted some time away from YouTube. We've got these old rare JVC speakers. These are rated I think 8 watts max, 5 watts normal power. I am going to be restoring these. I have said before that I was going to restore them, but I am going to try. The picture quality as well, guys, isn't going to be the best because I'm recording it with my S8 instead of the S10 for this video. So picture quality might not be the greatest. Anyway, we're going to be playing some heavy metal, non-copyrighted music. And this is just these speakers. No, nothing else. And these are sealed as well with my sound installation. Anyway guys, just to prove what wattage these are, I'm going to quickly turn my amp off, disconnect the back, and I'm going to show you, just to prove that I'm not lying. 5 watts normal, 8 watts max, impedance 3 ohms. There is the model number right there. Made in Tokyo, Japan. And that's why it came from a podium system. Also, the reason why I've got blue tack and like screws up in there, the guy that had it before me had this like mounted to a wall, I believe. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.